In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change audio speed in DaVinci Resolve, step by step, so you can speed up a voiceover, tighten up a podcast clip, or make your timeline flow a lot better. This is a simple process, but it's one that can save you a ton of time when you need your audio to play faster without having to re-record anything. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Edit page, because that's where you'll be working with your audio clip on the timeline. Find the audio clip you want to adjust, then right-click directly on the clip to open the contextual menu. This menu is useful because it gives you quick access to clip-specific tools without having to dig through extra panels or settings. From the menu, choose Change Clip Speed. Once you click that option, DaVinci Resolve will open a dedicated dialog box for changing the playback speed and duration of the clip. This is where you can make your audio faster, slower, and even control how the timeline behaves after the change. Now look for the speed percentage field. By default, it should be set to 100%, which means the audio is playing at its normal speed. If you want to speed up the audio, you need to enter a value higher than 100. For example, 110%, 125%, or even more depending on how much faster you want it to sound. The higher the percentage, the faster the clip will play. You can either type the number directly into the field or click and drag the value to the right to increase it. If you drag it left or enter a number below 100, that will slow the audio down instead. So for this tutorial, since we want to speed things up, make sure you're increasing the number above 100. Next, enable pitch compensation. This is a really important setting if you want the audio to sound natural after speeding it up. Without pitch compensation, voices can start sounding too high and give you that classic chipmunk effect. By turning this on, DaVinci Resolve helps maintain the original vocal pitch while still increasing the playback speed, which usually sounds much cleaner and more professional. After that, you can check the Ripple timeline box if you want the rest of your timeline to move automatically. This is especially useful when you want the gap created by the shortened clip to close right away. If Ripple is enabled, clips that come after it will shift to keep everything connected and avoid empty space in your edit. If you don't want the rest of the timeline to move, leave that option unchecked. Once everything looks good, click Change to apply the new speed settings. DaVinci Resolve will instantly update the clip length and process the new playback speed on your timeline. You should now see that your audio clip is shorter and plays back faster than before. At this point, it's a good idea to press play and listen back to make sure the result sounds right. If the speed feels too fast or too slow, you can always repeat the process and fine-tune the percentage until you get the exact result you want. Small adjustments can make a big difference, especially for voiceovers, interviews, and synced audio. And that's it. You've just learned how to change audio speed in DaVinci Resolve using the Change Clip Speed option on the Edit page. This is a quick and effective way to speed up audio while keeping your timeline organized. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.